So I have the yellow one. I made it up so like I can get the yellow. I kept doing it. I think I did it like 5 times. So like, I mean, reset it. So yeah. So now we're gonna go to the Plaza or whatever. I'm gonna talk to this Sprocket. I've seen him. Don't like him. He's gonna be moving soon, I predict. Alright, and then this chicken lady. Wait, let me see. Plucky. Or it could be a man. I think that's a lady, but it sounds like a man. Alright, let's go. Faster than everybody. Alright, we're all here. So what's Tom Nook's going to say is pretty much that we're going to find our own houses, so I'm just going to skip to that. So now I have to collect my tent from Tommy or Timmy. I think we're going to just go to Tommy. Alright. Now I feel bad. I should have went to Timmy. Oh well. Alright, press X and okay. Alright. He's giving me a map. Next time I'll just talk to Tommy because now I meant Timmy because now I feel bad that I didn't talk to him first. So yeah, now just gotta find a place to put my tent, but it doesn't matter right now because you can later on change the placement of where you put your tent. So let me just look at my map. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it right here, just right in this middle area for now. Alright, build here. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Let me imagine it. Nope, just this is the spot. Alright. And I set up my tent. Now I think I go back to the town plaza. Wait, where is it? Oh. So it looks like I have to help them, so I'm just going to help them real quick and yeah. So Plucky we just met. And I think I'm gonna help her find her a home. I hope it's for her because they don't sound like a girl, but they look like a girl. Okay, looks good to me. Yep. Okay. So there's their tent. Now I'm gonna find the other guy. Okay, so I forgot to mention, for some reason, and I've selected the southern hemisphere, but for some reason during this time it's snowy, so that's why there's snow on the ground. It doesn't make any sense to me, but you know, it's whatever. It's not a big deal. But I can't find Sprocket. Found him. He's actually kind of cute. I don't like the green. The green is bothering me. So maybe he'll stay, but I don't know. Looks good to me. I don't really care where they live because I can just change it later on. So, you know. I'm sad because his tent looks better than mine. We're back at the plaza, and I'm pretty sure we have to do some tasks like name this place and get some supplies. So yeah, let's just see, I guess. So yeah, so first I'm gonna get the supplies and then I'll name it after. So I had to collect 3 pieces of fruit, which is the peaches, and then 10 sticks. So now I'm just gonna take it back to Tom Nook, and we're gonna have a little party and name this town. So yeah. So I gave him the items, and we're gonna have a little party. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make something with the peaches or whatever, and then we're gonna have a campfire. Alright, this is turning out pretty nicely. So, let me just think of a name real quick for this island, and yeah. So because my gamer name is Donna Duck, I just put Duckana. I don't even know. So, don't ask. Alright. Yep, we're gonna go with Duckana. And of course they're gonna vote for mine, so just gonna skip this. Those names, I should have showed the names, but those names are weird. It just sounds right. Like when they say it, like all fast, it just sounds right. So there we go, Duckana. Yup. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate it. Yay! I'm the resident representative. Howdy. That sounds right. Howdy. So yeah, looks like we're drinking some kind of drink. I'm guessing out of, yep, peach juice. I never heard of peach juice, but I'm sure it's good. This is a great bonding moment. So yeah, this has been a great night. Thank you for watching this video, for sticking to the end if you did. That's it for this video though. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, which will be soon. Hit the notification bell to be notified for these further videos. And the next time I probably will come on this Animal Crossing will be to show some, like an update of what I'm building. So yeah, that's it for this video.